Hello, welcome to FingerNailFixer video. In this video, let's do a quick and easy salon-friendly St. Patrick's nail design. Start off by polishing the nails with a neutral color. You'll want to go ahead and apply 2 layers and cure them. We're using gel polish for this video. Go ahead and apply a top coat once you've done your color layers, curing the top coat. Wipe the top coat off with alcohol and then use a buffer to just remove the surface shine. Once you have the surface shine removed, you could go ahead and clean the nail off with alcohol again. Then using a dark color so it will be easy to see the contrast as you draw, you can create your 4-leaf clover. If you need some help creating the 4-leaf clover, you can watch for my tutorial video on hearts, as it's just 4 hearts facing each other. Using a stylus, create 2 small dots, making sure that you have enough gel polish in the dots that you can drag them together, creating a V. Go around and create 4 of these little hearts by doing the dots and dragging the extra gel polish to create the V. Leave some space in between the hearts so that they don't bleed together. This can be done completely with a small stylus, and you could use a larger stylus if you want to create a larger 4-leaf clover. Once you're finished with the 4 leaves, use a little bit of alcohol and a very small brush, either a gel brush or an art brush, whichever you have on hand, and you can clean up with the alcohol to get a little bit sharper point on the leaves or the hearts. Just gently clean your brush in the alcohol in between each swipe to clean up. And you can find a link for the tools as well as what colors were used in the caption of all my tutorial videos. Once you're happy with the hearts and you have them cleaned up the way that you like, you can use a small detail brush or striping brush to create the stem of the 4-leaf clover and then cure your gel polish design. By curing the design, you make your 4-leaf clover the only thing that has a top film or a sticky layer. Then using transfer foil with the design or colored side facing you, press it onto your 4-leaf clover to give it color. You can use green, gold, or whatever makes you happy. If you have some foil that happened to stick where you remove the shine, you can use a little bit of alcohol on a gel brush or an art brush to rub off the excess foil. Once you've rubbed off the foil that you don't want or that is outside of the design, you could go ahead and apply a thin layer of top coat to cure and seal the design. If you're using transfer foil, you want to make sure that you're curing and sealing that design really well, because transfer foil can actually dissolve on contact with water. So just seal that design in really well. And this technique can be used with any design. So you could have done it with red for hearts with Valentine's Day. You can create a colored egg style design for Easter and use foil to color them. Once your top coat is on and cured, you're finished with your design. It's very salon friendly, doesn't take a lot of time, and yet looks really fun. I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial and that it gives you some ideas for some different things to do in the salon. Please click like if you enjoyed the video, subscribe to know when new videos hit, and thanks so much.